All right, guys, in this video, we're going to be looking at some representations of solutions. This is a free response question. So we've got two molecules being shown. We got a water molecule and a lithium chloride crystal structure, and they're represented above. A student prepares a 1 molar solution by dissolving 4.2 grams of LiCl in enough water to make a 100 milliliter solution. In the space provided, show the interactions of the components of LiCl aqueous by making a drawing that represents the different particles present in the solution. Base the particles in your drawing on the particles shown in the representation above, including only one formula unit of LiCl and no more than 10 water molecules. Your drawing must include the following details: the identity of the ions, symbol, and charge, the arrangement and proper orientation of the particles in the solution. So first things first, I want to identify each component. So here's our water molecule that's given to us. That's very easy. But right here we have LiCl, and I have to determine which one is the lithium and which one's the chlorine. Well, based on size alone, we should be able to identify that. Lithium only has 2 energy levels, whereas chlorine is going to have 3 energy levels. So chlorine is going to be the larger atom between the two of them. So let's make these ones the chlorines, Cl minus, and the small ones lithium plus. And I just want to make sure that when I do my drawing here, I show that lithium is bigger than the chlorine and that one is positive charge and one is negative charge. Notice here we want the identity, symbol, and charge of it. The other part is I need to figure out the orientation. So if I have a chlorine ion right here, the orientation of the water molecule. So remember, water is a polar molecule, and they've got 2 lone pairs on the oxygen's side over here. So that's going to put a partial negative charge on this side, a partial positive charge on this side. So when I'm facing the chlorines, I want to make sure that I have the oxygen facing this way towards them, because that is the positive side and it's going to be attracting towards the negative chlorine ions. And then for the lithium, I just want to make sure I go the opposite direction for those. Now, in their rules, they said only include 1 formula unit of LiCl and no more than 10 molecules. I will do well less than that. So I'm going to make sure I've got a chlorine and a lithium. Notice I'm showing the elements, their charges, and their relative sizes. And now I need to draw the water molecules in the correct manner. So water going like this around the chlorines. I'm just going to do 3 of each on each one just to keep it under 10, since that's what they asked for. And this would be the manner that we would do it. So as long as you got something like this, I'm showing that chlorine is bigger than lithium. I'm showing the charges. I'm only showing 1 of each species, and I'm showing the water oriented in the correct manner. This should get full points. So this is what they're looking for. Most likely you're going to get points for correct arrangement, correct ion identification, and probably another point for overall or whatever they might be looking for. So this could be upwards of 3 points on the test.